Ever wondered if the Big Bang was really a massive explosion that created the universe from a singular point? Well, it's time to rethink that image. Welcome to a journey through the cosmos where we unravel the truths behind the common misconceptions about the Big Bang theory. Many picture the Big Bang as a colossal firecracker detonating in the void of space. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in the traditional sense. It was, in fact, a rapid expansion of space itself. This expansion happened everywhere at once, not from a singular point. The universe didn't start as a tiny speck that grew larger. Instead, the distances between galaxies grew, stretching the very fabric of space. Another misconception is that the Big Bang represents the absolute beginning of everything, time included. While it's true that our understanding of physics breaks down as we rewind closer to the Big Bang, it doesn't mean that nothing existed before. It simply means we lack the scientific understanding to describe what happened during those early moments. It's also a common belief that the Big Bang theory is just a guess or even a belief system. In reality, it's a scientific theory, heavily supported by a body of evidence. Cosmic background radiation, the abundance of light elements, and the redshift of distant galaxies all provide compelling evidence for the Big Bang theory. Many people think of the universe as a finite, spherical balloon expanding into outer space. However, the universe has no center and no edge. It's more accurate to think of the universe as an infinite, flat expanse. As hard as it may be to wrap our heads around, there is no outside the universe. Contrary to the belief that all galaxies are rushing away from a central point, galaxies are not fleeing from each other, but rather, space itself is expanding. It's like raisins in a rising loaf of bread. The raisins aren't moving through the dough, but as the dough expands, the raisins get farther apart. To sum up, the Big Bang was not an explosion, but a rapid expansion of space. It doesn't necessarily represent the absolute beginning of time, and it's not a mere guess, but a well-supported scientific theory. The universe is not finite and expanding into outer space, and galaxies are not rushing away from a central point. Remember, science is all about questioning, exploring, and understanding the world around us. And sometimes, that means letting go of our misconceptions, no matter how popular they may be. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars, you're peering into the depths of space and time, witnessing the cosmic story of the universe.